Hello my lovely children. Today we will learn about letter H. Letter H. And this is letter H. And the sound of H is so let's learn about the letter H. H says helicopter. H says horse. H says hen. H says hat. H says hut. H says hammer. H says hand. And H says heart. Let's revise. Helicopter, horse, hen, hat, hut, hammer, hand, heart. They all begin with sound and is the sound of letter H. So dear children, they all are the friends of letter H. Thank you. Enjoy learning, children.